So I'm just going to show a couple of features of the fuzz shader that I've been working on. Well, the fuzz shader effect, rather. Um, Currently I have it set up as a fuzzy surface checkbox down here, which just enables this shader feature. It creates a custom map type in the custom slot for the fuzz, which is the fuzzy mask map, name patent pending. um, and this drives what parts of the material are actually fuzzy and what aren't, obviously. I do not have the debug function for this set up yet, but I probably will do that in the future. I'm going to just put on the moss feature on all of the 2 rocks that I have here. So these are just should be the default settings. So you're going to need to make a lot of adjustments. But as you can see, the effect is pretty drastic. So you want to use these. You even want to be kind of careful with, how you use them. Usually, I like to have a high fuzzy power, so about 3, and then adjust everything else kind of on top of that. Usually, the edge brightness just makes it look a little metallic if you go too high. The Fresnel effect, it's really helpful for kind of breaking up the color here, especially when looking on it from a straight angle. As an overall scene feature, like I said, you got to be pretty careful with it. I'm probably going to dampen the default settings a little bit because it's a bit much. But if you have the effect just a little bit at a power of 3 on both of your assets here, just bring that down just a little bit. So it definitely makes this stuff actually seem fuzzy. So this is one nice thing about this. It's very reliant on your normal map. If you don't have a normal map, it'll actually turn the feature off. So if I kill the normal map here, it actually will turn the fuzzy feature off because it has nothing really to work with. And then you'll have to re-enable it, which, oh no, actually that works now. Oh yeah, I fixed that last night. Anyway, so yeah, that's what it looks like. It's really effective on surfaces with a lot of variation in them. So you just have to be careful because otherwise it might end up looking a little metallic if you don't have your settings, set up quite correctly. So, but it's going to be a taste thing, and it seems to be very consistent in terms of the lighting. So you really shouldn't have any trouble with the effect. But like I said, subtlety is going to be the key here in any case. So yep, some more features to come. I'm going to probably move some of it over to the specular since there is a effect on specular for this kind of surface. So that'll be my next thing, and then terrain shader version of it, and then eventually probably something for the vegetation shader. The use would be much more limited, but still useful in some cases. So yeah, that's it, and hope to release this along with documentation soon.